Oh my God. My dear young ladies. You come in here dressed like your clothes shrunk in the wash. And then you wonder the attention you are getting from men who, let's just say, they are not thinking about you as a life partner. Let's talk about it. Listen, the way you dress speaks before you even open your mouth. And when you dress to look hot, what you're getting is exactly what you are advertising. Guys, curious to see and touch what is under that skirt. And trust me, if that's all that a man wants, he's not thinking about a future with you, but a few moments at best. Proverbs 31:25. She is clothed with dignity and strength, not flashy and short, not clothes that are only for grabbing attention. Strength and dignity, you want a man who sees that first. Because if you present yourself with class, the right man will see you as more than what's on the outside. He will be thinking, could this be my future wife? And hear me now. I'm not saying dress like a nun, no. Dress well. Be stylish. Even a little flirty if you want. But keep it smart and attractive, not hot. Save the hot for later, when you have a husband by your side. When you are married, trust me, you can be hot 24/7, be skimpy anyhow you want it. He will appreciate it more than a random guy could. First Peter 3:3. It reminds us that true beauty isn't from the outside. It says, your beauty should not come from outward adornment. Rather, that your beauty should be of your inner self. The unfading beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is a great worth in the sight of God. So, you make a choice. Do you want to be just a fleeting attraction? Or you want to be a woman of value? So, my dear, the choice, it's yours. You want to dress for the thrill of the moment, or you want to dress for the promise of the future. But make no mistake, what you put out, yeah, exactly is what you will attract. So here is to dressing with dignity, staying classy, and saving the hot for the right man. That's the real man, my dear.